cycle is a series of events that happen repeatedly in the same order. All living things go through life cycles. Stages typically include birth, growth, reproduction, and death. In this lesson, we examine the life cycles of various plants. Consider the life cycle of a common flowering plant. You may already be familiar with what flowers and seeds look like. The life cycle begins with seed germination, where the seed starts to grow. As the seed grows into a young plant, it becomes a seedling. Once the seedling matures and can reproduce, it is known as an adult plant. The next stage in a flowering plant's life cycle is when the adult plant produces flowers. Pollen, small grains found inside flowers, is transferred to another plant's flower by birds and insects during pollination. Pollination enables seed development, and once the mature seeds start growing, the life cycle begins again with germination. However, not all plants produce flowers. For instance, pine trees produce seeds inside cones, making their life cycle different from that of a flowering plant. Plants that produce cones are called conifers, which include hemlock and spruce trees. Comparing the life cycle of a conifer to a flowering plant, you'll notice several differences. Flowers and conifers have many differences. Conifers have small, narrow leaves called needles, while flowering plants have broad leaves. Conifers remain green throughout the year, whereas flowering plants lose their leaves in the fall. Birds, bees, and other insects carry out pollination in flowers, while wind does so in conifers. Conifers provide lumber for building houses, while flowering plants are used to make perfume. Many flowering plants live for only 1 year, while conifers can live for many years.